Hey again, first grade. Today we will be working on balancing true and false equations. Our objective for today is, I can understand the meaning of the equal sign and determine if equations involving addition and subtraction are true or false. You can find this activity in your home learning packet under May 4th and May 5th. You can find the worksheet on page 22 of your math packet. Look at this part of our anchor chart. This is called a balance. You may have seen one before. You can put objects on either side of the balance. If one side is heavier than the other side, that side goes down and the lighter side will go up. Think of it as a seesaw. Have you ever gotten on a seesaw and quickly went straight up without the other person pushing up on their legs? This is because you were lighter or weighed less than the other person. If you went down without the other person pushing up on their legs, you were heavier or weighed more than the other person. Today, we want to make sure both of our addition equations are balanced, or have the same value. When our equations are balanced, that means they are equal. Look at this part of the anchor chart. I see on one side there is the equation 4 plus 1. I know that equals 5. And on the other side, I just have the number 5. This means that the equation is equal to each other. 4 plus 1 is the same as 5, because I know that 4 plus 1 equals 5. This makes the balance level on both sides. Now we are going to look at some true equations and false equations. The first true equation I have is 3 plus 2 equals 2 plus 3. If I add 3 plus 2, I get 5. And if I add 2 plus 3, I also get 5. So that equation is true. Next true equation I have is 4 plus 3 equals 5 plus 2. I know that 4 plus 3 equals 7, and 5 plus 2 equals 7. That means they are equal, which means it's a true equation. I also have 6 plus 3 equals 4 plus 5. 6 plus 3 equals 9, and so does 4 plus 5, so that equation is true. On the false side, I have 4 plus 2 equals 3 plus 5. I know that 4 plus 2 equals 6, but 3 plus 5 equals 8. 6 is not equal to 8, so that equation is false. I also have 6 plus 1 equals 4 plus 5. 6 plus 1 is 7, and 4 plus 5 is 9. 7 does not equal 9, so that equation is false. Last, I have 3 plus 1 equals 6 plus 1. 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 6 plus 1 equals 7, so that equation is false as well. Let's practice some equations that look like the ones you will be completing on your worksheet. I will use Unifix cubes to demonstrate this strategy in a concrete way. You can choose to use cubes, coins, cereal, drawings, or any other items you may have in the house. Here I have the equation 3 plus 3 equals 5 plus blank. I need to figure out what number goes on the blank. Over here, I know I have 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 3 more, 1, 2, 3. When I put those together, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on this side, I have 6. On this side, I have 5. How many more do you think I need to add to this side to make this side equal to 6? Well, if I put these together, I see that for them to be equal, I need to add one more cube. Now, on this side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now they are both equal. I already had 5, so now my missing number is 1. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And 5 plus 1 equals 6. This equation says 4 plus 2 equals 3 plus blank. On this side, I know I have to add 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 2, 1, 2. If I put those together, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On this side, I only have 3. Look at the cubes. How many more cubes do I need to add to this side to get the same amount or the equal amount on both sides? Let's count on from 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I counted on 3 more cubes. Now they are equal. I have 6 on both sides. So 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2, 3 more would give me 6 as well. Now my equation is equal. 6 equals 6. Now I have 7 plus 3 equals blank plus 6. This time I'm going to use a different strategy, counting on. So on this side I have 7 plus 3. If I keep 7 in my head and count on 3 more, after 7 comes 8, 9, 10. I counted on 3 more. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now I have to get this side to equal 10 as well. I already have 6. What comes after 6? 7, not at 10 yet, 8, 9, 10. How many more did I have to add to 6 to get 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 plus 3 equals 10, and 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now I have 5 plus 3 equals blank plus 4. If I add on, I'm going to keep 5 in my head and count on 3 more. So 5, after 5 comes 6, 7, 8. When I add 3 more to 5, I get 8. Now I need to make this side equal 8 as well. Keep 4 in my head and count on till I go to 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more did I count on? 4. That's because 4 plus 4 equals 8. That equation is true. Now let's look at your worksheet. Look at the example. I see the equation 2 plus 0 equals blank plus 1. I also see that I have the choices 0, 1, or 2 for my answers. First, I need to add 2 plus 0. I know that is 2. So now I need to make the other equation equal to 2 as well. So, what can I add to 1 to get 2? If I keep 1 in my head and count on till 2, I only count on one number. So I know that 1 plus 1 equals 2. I will put the number 1 on the blank line. Now both sides are equal. 2 plus 0 equals 2, and 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now you complete the rest of your problems on your own. Remember, you can contact me, Ms. McGoldrick, or Mr. Tama for help on this activity or any other activity in your packet. Parents, please also make sure you are sending pictures or videos of your children completing their work so we can mark them as present or engaged during this week. Bacon and I love and miss you all. Can't wait to see you soon.